Hey, what's up? Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Welcome back to more NFT education, where we take NFT projects and we try to learn more about them. And today I have Martians versus Rednecks. All right, now I actually came across this project on Twitter as well, and with me being a Texan number one, I definitely had to jump on this and see what it was about. So let's talk about this project. The battle for Texas is upon us. The inevitable task to defend the planet has fallen upon an unlikely band of heroes, but who will prevail? Don't miss out. Join us on our Martians versus Rednecks NFT journey, right? Martians March 4th. Martians March 4th on March 4th. Wow, that's pretty hard. That's definitely a tongue twister too. Private meeting is closed, open the 4th of March, which is a couple days ago, but I believe they're still minting, right? But public mint is zero point 0.1 ETH, right? Let's see how much zero point 0.1 ETH is today. That's only $26. Oh, yeah, so that's only 26 bucks. Not bad, not bad. And you can mint up to 10 of them, right? So you can only mint them at this link right here, which I will provide in the comments or in the description. All right, now this is the smart contract address, so you can actually go see what's happening, what's going on. You can actually see what's happening and what's going on with this project. All right, now here is the collection. Now, let's talk about it. Let's talk about what this project is. It's 3,333 unique and beautifully hand-drawn rednecks are set to defend Earth. 3,333 power-hungry Martians hell-bent on galaxy domination. Will the one golden Martian tip the balance? All right, why we don't get a golden redneck? Which side will you be fighting for? I'm definitely on the redneck side. No, the Martians and Rednecks community is the very heart of this project. If you're a sci-fi fan who's been loyally dedicated to the genre, or a comic buff, or a fresh new recruit, we want you to be involved. Loyal holders of the Martians versus Rednecks NFTs will benefit from the bonus weapon drops and access to limited edition comic. All right, you will also be able to take advantage of an exclusive range of benefits in both the digital and real world. These will include a metaverse clubhouse, a brawling pit, and Grandma Daisy's general stores, to real live events, parties, collaborations with legends of the NFT space, and partnerships with leading brands within a variety of sectors, including beer, merchandise, and skateboards. Join our Discord community for all the latest news. All right, now let's talk about the roadmap. Quarter one, implement integrated marketing strategy, include social and traditional print media campaigns. The Martians versus Rednecks NFT whitelist will be available. They actually streamed the mint live, right? We're past this phase. Metaverse partnership will be announced. Collaboration with the leading artists. We love you, the community. So bonus weapons drop for your loyal holders. More free stuff for all you comic lovers. You'll get a bonus limited edition comic hand drawn by our amazing artist Ben. All right. So quarter two, launch of Martians versus Rednecks NFT phase 2, a further 3,333 unique NFTs, but what will they be? Work continues with our partners on metaverse integration. Partial DAO structure launch, with the community able to vote on future games development within the metaverse setting, and the launch of the charitable donation program. All right, quarter three of 2022, Martians versus Rednecks fully integrated into the metaverse setting with local hangout and capability to interact between holders, gaming embedded with the metaverse, in-house gaming inside the Martians versus Redneck Clubhouse. The second phase of the gaming program will focus on a high-end battle format, enabling the use of your avatar and weapons, and launch of the metaverse merchandise store with clothing and accessories available. Then quarter four, the community will remain at the forefront of all future plans and development. All right, and what then they say what's next, right? So here's a little bit about the artist, right? He's got 20 years of art experience, right, and making models for some of the biggest companies across the globe for their marketing campaigns. So this guy obviously, knows what this guy obviously knows what he's doing. He's obviously, as me being a graphic designer, he's obviously really good at doing this stuff. So then we got the team, right? This team, everybody on this team is who they say they are, which is a plus. They've got their partners all listed out. They've just, this project just looks well put together, and this is something that I definitely want to keep my eye out. Not gonna lie, this artwork is just hard, bro. Like, let me know what y'all think about this in the comments, man. I love y'all. We out.